Hello, my name is Rachel Carey and I've been fostering for 8 years. I was really excited, and I was really excited to find out what it was going to be like and to find out what fostering was. Yeah, the social workers come and visit very often, and I'm part of the Sons and Daughters group, so we go to meet and talk and discuss. Yeah, I've learned loads of things, and I'm doing a health and social course, and it's all linked, so I understand it more because of things that are happening in the house. Yeah, I like seeing them develop, the children develop and become more confident. Yeah, when we went on holiday, how excited they were going and happy. I'd really suggest them to try it and see what their children think of it, because it's really rewarding and you feel really happy knowing you're helping other children. Yeah, definitely.